And welcome back, everybody. My name's Mr. Owings. We are working in Ozaria for JavaScript, and I am working on Chapter 4, Module 3, and we are on the L rivers. So, let's take a look at what happened here. I warn you, my friend, the darkness is increasing. Get closer to the vault. Be careful you don't get caught. So, we have some splinters. Let's run the code and see what happens. Okay, so at this point, we need to just avoid the splinters. And let's take a look. So if we jump right and move up, and then mouse moves up to, moves right to. Okay. Yeah, so it looks like mouse steps is going to be always right to, right to, but it's going to be a different number up. And that's what I was trying to figure out. So if you weren't following along, hero's going to move up one, and mouse is going to move up two. So let's add our function. So hero is going to need to jump right. And then our hero will move up. And that's going to be hero steps. And then, so that works correctly. Let's have mouse is going to move up mouse steps. And then mouse is going to move right. Two. So that should, yep. So our hero is moving up one, and then moving up one. And then mouse is moving up two, and then moving up one, because we have mouse steps is here. So let's think about how we have to write the next one. And I'll give you just a second to think about it, and then we'll talk about it. So think about what numbers do we want to ask? What parameters do we want to pass through to cross river for the next one with our hero moving? He's got to jump one. That's going to be the same, right? And then move up two. And mouse has three over two. Should have plenty of hints. All right, give up. Okay, here we go. So we have to do cross river. And then our hero is going to jump right, and we need him to move up two, so we want to do two. And then mouse needs to move up three. So let's add three. And then these two are unchanging. The jump and the moving right two are unchanging. So those will be the same. See what we did? So now I think we want to get mouse to the end first. So let's just have mouse dig right. And then our hero is going to sneak up and then sneak right. And then he should be able to move right and move up. And I basically do that because it's going to be significantly faster. So with any luck, that's going to get us there. And it looks like, yep, everything passed according to the check marks. So if you found this helpful, go ahead and give it a like. If you have any more questions or comments, feel free to ask them. Why I'm doing things, remember we're declaring functions, and we can pass as many things as we want. Although usually it's really only going to be a few, because if you need more, it'd be better to write another function, if that makes sense. You can call functions in functions. That's going to be a little advanced for a beginner class, so you shouldn't really see that in Ozaria, but you would see that in real programming. So exciting. It's not that out of your your ability. It's just confusing sometimes. So this was L Rivers. You're doing fantastic. I just want to confirm that since you've made it this far, you're doing great, even if you needed a little help. This is hard ideas. Remember that we're always trying to practice and push ourselves a little bit farther. And if you need a little hand, that's why I'm doing this. So go ahead and give that a like if it was helpful to you. Questions or comments would be wonderful. And you will see you in the next one.